So now I'll be showing you guys how to import media files in our page here in this interface, like how we can transfer the media here. So basically the most easiest way is, like, suppose I have some sample videos here and I want to transfer all this. The first thing we can do is like just select and drag and drop here. So as you can see, once I dragged and dropped, this video came in my interface here. And there are also other ways how we can import video. So for that we can also import media file by clicking here. We can just select, and also from here as well. Like from here, if I click on the import option, I have option here as import media files if you want to select a particular or a single file. And if we all want to import a media folder, like a whole folder which consists of videos and photos, we can just come here and click on this, and the whole folder will be imported to my page here. And we can also do it from here. Here is the file option. After going to the file option, we can go here in this import media, and here also we can see import media files and import media folder. So before going any further, I like to just give you guys a tip. So while we video edit a video or a particular clip which we want to edit, for that, first of all, we need to make it clean. Like we need to keep the working space very clean. Like here I have some sample videos and I have created here, and as I was working also on DaVinci, so I have a folder also in DaVinci. Okay, see here I have categorized everything here. I have the software here, the FILMORA software here, and I have the contents for DaVinci as well as content for WordShare FILMORA. And I also have my sample videos here, as you guys can see. So what happens if we do like that we don't get confused? Suppose I made a video and it's just scattered in different places in my computer. So once anything gets deleted by chance or by mistake, it will create a hassle again to do that same thing. So for your own good, while working all these video editing softwares, we need to keep our workspace very clean. And now let's go back here. I'll try to import a media file. So once I click that one, browse folder will come like this, and here I want to open this one, and I'll click on this, and under this, whatever file I have, I can just open. So I want to import the sample videos, and I'll just click on OK. So as you can see, I have all these files here. Whatever sample videos I did have in that folder, it's just imported here in this profile. And we can also see it from here. Here I have only one folder. That's why it's showing me all the videos. So in the similar case, if we go back here and we want to import media, I'll go to import a media folder again, and I want to import this whole. So once I did that, as you can see here, I do have the contents, sample video, and everything which I want to open from here. And I'll just delete this folder because I don't need it right now. And here I'll just show you guys something very important. There are some shortcut keys which we can use while working in this FILMORA. So here you can see, if I want to add a new folder, I can just click Ctrl plus Alt plus N. If you want to delete any folder, we can just click on the delete. And if you want to rename any project or any folder, we can just click on F2. Why I'm showing you guys this one is basically when we work in video editing software, once we use the shortcut keys, it makes our work quite easier comparing if we just go basically do it from the file and all. But first up, while using this, we need to get familiar with all the keys, and it actually comes with experience and learning. So first up, let's try to understand this media file, like after importing what all we can do it here. Okay, so if you have any video which we want to search, particularly here is a search media option. Here we can come and put the name of that media, then it will show you here. Okay, and after that we have sorting option. Suppose I have a file and from there I want to only see the videos. We can click here. If we have any kind of audios which we want to select in this file, we can do that as well. If you have an image, we can do it as well, and as well as subtitle. But right now I do have only videos in this folder, so I won't be able to show you guys. But if we have so many mixed up files in one folder itself, then we can just sort it out from here basically. And after this we have another option here, like how we can view. Okay, if you want it as a list view, it will kind of show like this, like according to a list. And after that, if you want large thumbnail for our videos, we can come and select this one here. And here we also have the medium thumbnail view, the small thumbnail view. Basically for me, I do prefer to keep it in a medial thumbnail view. And let's see here, we can also sort it by name, like duration, type, and which date it was created. We can also keep it in a ascending or a descending order. Okay, if I do it by duration, you can see here it came by duration, and this one here, as you guys can see. Okay, I'll just keep it simple as by name. Okay, and we do have another option here, the ascending and the descending function. So if we put in descending, you see like the last one will come first, and ascending order is like the first one will come at first and the last one will come at last. So let me just choose this descending order only. No, I'll be choosing the ascending order. I'm sorry for that. Okay, now you can see here, and here is another option, option for adding a new folder. From here also we can add a new folder in our project media or in this interface. So I hope you guys have understood how to use the project media and how to import your file here. So if we see under that project media, we have another option as the global media. So what is this global media actually? So suppose you do have any kind of logo or any kind of voiceover or recording which we want to use it in all our videos, then we can import the file from here, because we don't have to import it again and again in all the folders. So basically the one which we use frequently or most of the time, we can just click here and just choose from here. I do have some pictures, and from here I'll open. Okay, I think all these are not supported, but if you have any kind of logo or we have any kind of voiceover, see here I just imported this logo which I made before few days. So I'm just importing this one if you want to use it in our video. Then we don't have to go back again and again to import the file. So I hope you guys understood the use of global media in here as well. And under this we have cloud media, the adjustment layer. I'll be teaching you guys about this in the later stages of the video. But now let's look at, so now let's get familiar with the workspace and the interface in FILMORA. So as I've showed you guys, I have some how to import your videos. Again, I'll do that. I'll import a file.